Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter percents, and the lesson we're going to cover from the chapter is percents of change word problems. Then we'll start new chapter consumer math, and the lessons are price list, unit prices with unit conversions. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is from the chapter percents. So here I'm on the chapter percents, and the lessons we're going to start is percent of change word problems. So let's just start with the first example. Miki just measured her dog and find out it weighs 112 kilogram. The last time she measured the dog weighs 64 kilograms. What percent heavier is the dog? Now you have to calculate the percent change of percent of change. So what you have to do, you can divide the amount of change divided by the original amount. Got it? You have to convert the older minus the new divided by the original amount. Got it? So it would be amount of change. Now it is 112. Earlier it was 64. So it would be 112 minus 64 divided by 64. Basically, the original amount is 64 and it changed to 112. So it would be 48 divided by 64, and that equals 75%. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Okay, the cheerleading squad at Silver Grove High School had 16 members with the old coach. Now with the new coach, there are 50% more members on the squad. How many members are on the squad now? So which is the correct option? 50% more. That means you already have 16. 50% more of the 16 is 50% means 8. So 8 16 plus 8 makes 24. That means now they are 24 members. Got it? Okay, Roscoe needed 4 gallons of gas last week. This week, Roscoe ended up needing 25% more than that amount. How much gas is that? Okay, now it is 25% more. Got it? So how do you calculate? Okay, 25% more means you should add 25% to the original amount. Got it? So 100% of original amount, 25% you have to add more, so it makes 125%. Got it? So basically you need to calculate 125% of 4. It would be 5. Got it? When you calculate 125% of 4, it would be 1.25. When you add it to 4, it makes 5 gallons of gas this week. It would be 5. So the correct option is 5 gallons. Got it? Okay, Miki just measured her dog and find out it weigh 112 kilograms. The last time she measured the dog weighted 64 kilograms. What percent heavier is the dog now? That's the same we did on the board. It would be 75% heavier. Got it? Earlier it was 64 and now it is 112 kgs. That means she is now 75%. She has now 75% more weight. Got it? Correct option is 75%. A software company is in Springdale used to bill client $240 per hour for work done by its consultants. The company recently adjusted its rates and now changes to 28 per hour. What was the percent of decrease in the billing rate? You have to calculate the percent of decrease. Originally it was 240. Got it? So it would be percent of change you have to calculate. It would be 228 minus 240, and originally it was 240. Got it? Just calculate. It would be a negative value. That means that would be a decrease. Got it? It will be 12 over 240. So it would be 50%. Got it? You need to multiply the value by 100. It would be 5%. Got it? 12 divided by 240 is 0.05, and you have to multiply it by the 100. So it would be 5%. Got it? That means the value decreased by 5%. The correct option is 5%. Okay, according to her running log, Jill averaged 2 miles per week last month and 1 mile per week this month. By what percent has her average decreased? You have to calculate percent change. Got it? The value is decreased, it would be negative. Got it? You have to do, earlier it was 2, now it is 1 mile. You have to do 1 minus 2 divided by 2, because 2 is the original value that would be earlier. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. Negative means that is a decrease. So 1 by 2 is 0.5, and 0.5 times 100 is 50%. That means the change is decreased by 50%. The average is decreased by 50%. Got it? It would be 50%. Okay, the library in Kingwood collected $320 in overdue fees last year. This year, the amount collected was 85% less. How much did the library collected this year? So last year they collected 320, and now they collected 85% less. The total amount is 100%. Got it? So 100 minus 85 equals 15%. That means this month it would be just 15%. You need to calculate 15% of 320. Got it? It would be 320 times 15 divided by 100. It would be 320 times 15 over 100. That equals 48. That means this year it would be less 48. Like you have to subtract 48 out of 20. Basically, you have to calculate. It would be now 48. Got it? So how much did the library collect this year? That means this year they just collected $48. Got it? 85% less than 320. So the 85% of 320 is less than 80%. 85% is 48. That means this year they just calculated 80%. So the 48. So that is correct. Let's move on to next lesson. We are done with the chapter percents. We're going to start the new chapter. Let's just start with the new chapter. We're going to start the new chapter, that is probably consumer math. Okay, let's just start with the chapter consumer math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is price list. Okay, Jonathan has $683. Does he have enough to buy a stove and microwave? He need to buy a stove and microwave. So you can see the list. Stove is for $464 and microwave is for $239. Just add both the amount. So 464 and 239 makes 703. That means the amount Jonathan has is 683. This is not enough to buy these two items. Got it? He has 683 and both the items cost $703. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how much more does a gray sweatshirt cost than a pair of white socks? The white socks is $1.91 and the gray sweatshirt is $5.60. You need to see how much more is gray sweatshirt than pair of white socks. Just subtract the cost of white socks out of sweatshirt and you will get the amount. You have to do 5.60 minus 1.91. Just subtract. You have to borrow one, it would be now 10 times subtract 1 is 9. You have to subtract again 15, subtract 9 is 6. And here you have 3. That means the gray sweatshirt got $3.69 more than the white socks. Got it? Okay, how much money does Emma need to buy a lawn mower and a fountain? Okay, so she need to buy lawn mower and fountain. So how much money she needed? Just add the price of the both items. Got it? So it would be lawn mower is 79.66 and 79.66 and fountain is 59.03. Just add both the items. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6, 9 plus 9 is 18 and 7 and 5, 12 and 30. That means if she have to buy both the items, she must have $138.69. Got it? So she must have $138.69. Okay, the next one is Shontal has $1,283. Does she have enough to buy a limousine ride and an airplane ride? So just add up the cost of both the rides and see if he have enough money. So limousine ride is 914 and airplane ride is 378. So it would be 8 and 4 12, 2 1 carry, 7 and 1 8 and 1 9, 9 10 11 12 and 1 13. It would be 1392. The total, the both the amounts cost 1392 and he have 1283. That means no, she don't have enough to buy both the rides. Got it? So the correct option is no. Okay, how much money does Reagan need to buy an antique walnut buffet and antique antique cedar cabinet? So you have to add the price of both the items to see if he can buy how much money he have. Antique walnut buffet. Here it is 9,515 and antique cedar cabinet. Here it is 1,000. 286. So it would be 5 plus 6, 11. 8 and 9 and 10, 0, 1 carry. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and 1, 10. That means he must have $10,801 for both the items. It would be 10,801. How much more does a ball of twine cost than a flat-headed bolt? So which is the correct option? Just subtract both the values. Got it? Mm, it would be 0.55 and minus flat-head bolt is 0.35. It would be 0 2. That means ball of twine cost $0.20 more than flat-head bolt. Got it? It would be 0.20. Okay, how much more does a tiny doll cost than a green marble? Tiny doll costs 0.69 and green marble costs 0.31. So just subtract both the values, it would be 0.38. Got it? That means it costs 0.38 more than green marble. Okay, how much money does Lacey need to buy a mystery game and a toy piano? Just calculate, add the both the prices, the mystery game and piano. Piano is 35.71 and mystery game is 11.51. Just add. Be 2, 7 and 5 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 5 and 6 and 1, 7 and 3 and 1, 4. It would be $47.22. That means he must have $47.22 if he want to buy both the items. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices. Let's just start with the next lesson. Unit means one. Whenever you have to calculate the price of the one thing, that means you have to calculate the unit price. A 7-ounce tube of paint cost $4.62. What is the unit price? Basically, that that is the cost of 7-ounce tube. You have to calculate 1-ounce tube. So you have to divide it by the 7. The unit price is the price per item or per unit of measure. Got it? So you have to divide the given value by the weight of the value or the number of the items given. Like you are given 7-ounce is 4.62, you have to divide 4.62 by 7 to get the value of the unit price. Got it? Like the next one is a 3-pack of t-shirt cost 9.93. What is the price of unit price? Like if you bought 3 shirts, they are 9.93. You have to calculate the price of one shirt, so you have to divide it by the 3. Got it? It would be 3.31. That means one shirt costs 3.31. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, a 3-pack of tickets to the zoo cost 18.03. What is the unit price? So you have 3 tickets and the 3 tickets cost 18.03. You need to check the value of just one ticket. So what you have to do, you have to simply divide the cost by the 3. Got it? Because that is the cost of 3 tickets. So you have to divide 18.03 by 3. Got it? And it would be 6.01. That means one ticket cost 6.01. Got it? It would be 6.01. Okay, which is the better buy? 5 pack of raffle ticket for 11.10 or 6 pack of raffle ticket for 13.8. You need to see which costs less. Got it? The one that cost less is a better cost. Just divide 11, calculate the unit price of one item. Got it? Let's see which one is good. Okay, 11.10 by 5 is 2.22 and 13.08 divided by 6 is 2.18. This one is less. That means 6 pack of raffle ticket for 13.08 is a better buy than the 5 pack of raffle tickets for 11.10. Got it? That would be the second option. Okay, the next one is a 6 pack of wooden boxes cost 3.48. What is the price of unit price? What is the unit price? It would be a 6 pack. If you have to find the price of one, you have to divide it by the 3.48 by the 6. Got it? So the correct option is 0.58. Okay, a 4 pack of game board cost 25.76. What is the unit price? So you have to calculate the price of one pack of board. Got it? So you have to divide 25.76 by 4. Got it? So which is the correct option? It would be 6.45. The correct option is, I think it is silly. I haven't, let me just divide. It would be 6.44. The correct option is 6.44. Okay, our 2 pack of batteries cost 2.84. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? You have to divide it by the 2. So it would be 1.42 is the correct option. Got it? You have to divide 2.84 by 2. So it would be 1.42. The correct option is 1.42. A 3 kg bag of red onions cost $8.25. What is the unit price? You have to calculate the price of 1 kg onion. Just divide it by the 3. Got it? So which is the correct option? You have to 8.25 by 3. Got it? Because you need to calculate the price of 1 kg. So you have to do 8.325 divided by 3. Got it? So it would be 2.75. That means 1 kg onions cost $2.75. Got it? Okay, a 6 pack of woven basket cost $28. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? It would be $4.70. That means the cost of one pack of bourbon is $4.70. Okay, a 7-ounce tube of paint cost $4.62. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? Just divide 4.62 by 7. Got it? So which is the correct option? That would be 0.66. That means the cost of 1 ounce is 0.66. Okay, a 3-pack of t-shirt costs $9.93. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? It would be 3.31 is the correct option. Got it? That means the price of one shirt is 3.31. Okay, the next one is a 2-pack of candy bars cost $0.54. What is the unit price? You have to divide 0.54 by 2. So it would be $0.27. Okay, a 6 kilogram bags of potato cost $5.40. What is the unit price? You have to divide 5.40 by 6. It would be $0.90. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is unit prices with unit conversions. A 6-quart bottle of fabric softener costs $7.80. What is the price per pint? So here you have to convert from quarts to pint also. You have to convert from the one unit to other unit. We know that in 1 quart we have 2 pints. So in 6 quart we have 6 times 2, that equals 12 pints. Got it? So that means in 6 quart we have 12 pints. So you have to divide 7.80 by 12 because you need to calculate the value in pints. So when you divide 7.80 by pint 12, so it would be $0.65. Got it? Let's just start with the test practice questions. Okay, 2 tons of dirt cost $80. What is the price per pound? You have to calculate the price of 1 pound. How many tons do we have in 1 pound? In how many pound do we have in 1 ton? I think 1 ton equal 200 pounds. 1 ton equal, you have to divide it by, yes, 1 ton equals 1000 pounds, not 200. 1 ton equal 2000 pounds. Got it? So here we have 2 tons. That means it would be 2 times 2000. You have 4000 pounds. So divide 80 by 4000. Got it? So it would be 80 divided by 0, 80 divided by 4000. That would be 0.02. That means the cost of 2 tons would be $0.02. Got it? Okay, the next one is a 2-pound jar of pickle cost $10.88. What is the price per ounce? 2 pound, you have to convert from pounds to ounces. 1 pound equal 2 ounces. Got it? You have 2 pounds, so it would be 2 times 2. That means you have 4 ounces. Got it? And you have to calculate the price for 10.88. Just divide 10.88 by 4. Got it? It would be 10.88 divided by 4. That would be 2.72. That means the price of 1 pound is 1 pound equals 16 ounces, not 2. Sorry. 1 pound equal 16 ounces. So 16 times 2 is 32. So you have to divide it by 32. So it would be 10.88 divided by 32. That means it would be $0.34. So the price per pound is $0.34. Got it? Price per ounce, actually, not per pound. Okay. A 6-quart bottle of fabric softener is $7.80. What is the price per pint? One pint equal 1 quart equal 2 pints. So we have 6 pints, 6 quarts. That means we have to do 6 times 2. That equals 12 pints. And the price is 7.80. Just divide 7.80 by 12. Got it? It would be 0.65. The correct option is 0.65. Got it? Okay. The next one is a 3-yard roll of aluminum foil costs $3.15. What is the price per foot? How many foot do we have in 1 yard? Okay, in 1 yard we have 3 feet. 1 yard equal 3 feet. Got it? So 3 yards equal 3 times 3. That means they equal 9 feet. So the price is $3.15. You just have to divide 3.15 by 9. Got it? It would be $0.35. Got it? The correct option is $0.35. Okay, 3 tons of sand is 3600. What is the price per pound? 1 pound equal 2000 tons. Two, got it? So 2000 times 3 is 6000. You have to divide 3600 by 6000, so it would be then $0.60. Got it? A 4-foot roll of waxed paper costs $0.96. What is the price per inch? In 1 inch you have, in 1 feet you have 14 inches. In 1 feet you have 12 inches. So 12 times 4 is 48. That means you have 48 foot. 48 inches. Divide 0.96 by 48. It would be then 0.02 is the correct option. Okay, a 2 pound bag of asparagus costs $6.08. What is the price per ounce? In 1 pound we have 16 ounces. So 16 times 2 makes 32. That means you have to divide 6.08 by 32. That means it would be 0.19. Got it? The correct option is 0.19. Okay, the next one is a 2-quart carton of sour cream costs $5.36. What is the price per cup? So which is the correct option? I think in 1 quart we have 2 cups. Oh, in 1 quart we have 4 cups. Got it? So 4 times 2 makes 8 cups now total. So you have to divide 5.36 by 8. Got it? So which is the correct option? It would be 0.67. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 maths. We have started with the chapter percents, and the lesson we have covered from the chapter is percent of change word problems. Then we have started the chapter consumer math, and the lessons are price list, unit prices, and unit prices with unit conversions. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.